Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to show different picklist values based on record type in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful when you need different teams or processes to see only the relevant options for their specific record type, keeping your data clean and your users focused. First, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce screen and click on Setup. This takes you into the administrative area where you can configure all aspects of your Salesforce org. Once you're in Setup, look for the Quick Find search box and type in Object Manager, then click on Object Manager from the results. This is your central hub for managing all the objects in your Salesforce instance, from standard objects like account and contact to any custom objects you've built. Now click on the object name you want to work with from the list. For example, if you're customizing account pick lists, click on Account. This opens up all the configuration options specific to that object. In the left sidebar, you'll see various sections related to your object. Click on Record Types. This is where you manage the different record types that exist for this object and control what each one can access. From the list of record types, click on the label of the record type you want to control. For instance, if you have a record type called Business Account, click on that. This opens the detailed configuration page for that specific record type. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Picklists available for editing. This section lists all the picklist fields on your object that can be customized per record type. Click on the picklist field name you want to customize. For example, if you want to control which type values appear for this record type, click on Type. This opens the picklist value selection interface for this specific combination of record type and field. You'll now see two columns. The Available Values column on the left shows all possible values that exist for this picklist field across your entire org. Select the values you want to make available for this particular record type by clicking on them. After selecting the values you want, click the Add Arrow button pointing to the right. This moves those values into the Selected Values column, making them visible and usable for this record type. You can select multiple values at once by holding down Control or Command while clicking. If there are any values already in the Selected Values column that you don't want for this record type, select them and click the Remove Arrow button pointing to the left. This moves them back to available values, effectively hiding them from users working with this record type. If you want to set a default value that will automatically populate when someone creates a new record of this type, look at the default dropdown at the bottom of the page. Select whichever value you want to appear by default. This step is optional but can save your users time. Finally, click the Save button at the bottom of the page to apply all your changes. Give Salesforce a moment to process and save your picklist configuration. Your selected values are now active for this record type, and users will only see the options you've defined when they're working with records of this type. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.